In this video, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube channel name. If you want to change your YouTube channel name for any purpose, this is how you can go about it. I'm going to show you first how you can do this on mobile. Then I'll show you how you can change your YouTube channel name on your PC. First thing you want to do is on your mobile phone, open the YouTube app. Now once opened, you want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see your menus. Once on the menu page, tap on view channel. On your channel info page, you're going to see the pencil icon. Tap on this, and here you'll be able to change your channel name. Tap on the pencil icon on the name section, and here it reads that changes to your name will be reflected only on YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So go ahead and erase and enter a YouTube channel name, and then once you're ready, click on save and your YouTube channel name will be changed. To change your YouTube channel name on your PC, open your browser and then you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. On the drop down under your main channel name, you're going to see your channel name highlighted in blue. Click on this and this will take you to your channel profile. Under your channel profile, click on customize channel. This will open the YouTube studio for you to customize your channel. Now come to basic information, and under the basic information, you'll see your channel name with the same instruction on how you can change your channel name. Once you've made all the necessary changes, simply click on publish and your channel name will be changed. So thank you for watching this video on how to change YouTube channel name, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have questions or need assistance, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.